Alright, so I finally got the two bolts off, or sorry, the nuts off of the exhaust. It was a pain in the butt, but it probably hasn't been removed since the bike was put together. I don't think I'm missing anything. So it should just be a matter of wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. But I'm not sure.
If the American people knew half of what I do, they wouldn't have much to approve of.
There it is. Alright, now I get the motor side out. Okay. Come on. Come on.
Like a $500 tire credit, a $1,000 trade-in bonus, or a $500 military bonus on all newer used vehicles. Here's for details.
Oh, it's so close.
We're on the Boulevard or PedalWithKia.com.
Do you like your coffee sweet? What about your stove? Sweet? Your fridge, washer, dryer?
Come on.
You like them sweet as well? Then you're in luck. Because with Corbett's sweet savings, you can save up to $1,350 on a wide selection of great appliances. So treat yourself to some sweet savings.
See if I can give it a little bit of encouragement.
Corbett, for the right reason. And sweet savings this season.
There we go.
For today's round. Congrats, Matt. Thanks. So let's talk about your round.
I can't take all of the credit. I couldn't have done it without my team. You know, my caddy, trainer, manager.
Yeah. So how does someone find all these people who are so good at what they do?
That's easy. You use ZipRecruiter.
Makes sense. So tell me, that Eagle putt on set.
ZipRecruiter actually finds people for you.
That's great. So your incredible putt.
ZipRecruiter's technology and qualified people for your job. You can even find that online. That's how you that hand the best people for your team. In fact, 4 of 5 players get all candidates in the first day.
So you're not going to talk about the round today?
Maybe some of your listeners need to hire.
How are you? Good, good. Yeah, I'm getting a little dirty.
You know which flag is the best? The Honda checkered flag. That one helps you find the all-new 2022 Honda Civic. You know, North American Car of the Year, AJAC 2022 Canadian Car of the Year, and the best-selling car in Canada 24 years in a row. Right now, order the 2022 Civic LX for just $59. So look out for the checkered for 60 months, $1,875 down, tax extra.
I want to make sure I didn't miss a piece here.
That MGM casino is now available in Ontario. Live dealers, popular table games, and much more. Download the app today and see for yourself why BetMGM is the king
So it's off. While I'm here, and I'm thinking of it,
Must be 19 years of age or older. Ontario will
I have the American model.
If you have questions or concerns about your gambling or someone close to you, please contact Connect Ontario.
So I'm going to drain that vent for the crankcase.
Speak to an advisor free of charge. The Bobby Boat
And then
Show
just
on
put that
Ottawa's
back on.
Country 94 is powered by Barhaven Ford.
I don't think you guys saw that, so I'll do it again. But see all that liquid here that came out?
We're pure country.
Come on, let's find a spot here.
The Reclaws and Jake Owen, 11 beers.
There. Okay, so that's what the vent line looks like for the crankcase. If you have the Canadian model, it does not exist. I'm not entirely sure why. Anyways, it's just a little plastic piece. Stuff's still coming out. Maybe what I'll do, just to make sure there's nothing in that. There. I'm not entirely sure what that liquid is. It kind of smells like gas, so it very well could be. And there's a little loophole in the back here. Just goes in there. And then put your little clamp back on. Use both hands to do that. There. And then a plastic stopper. Move that back, get that in there, and then bring it forward. It's too forward. There we go. So that's not going anywhere now.
Won't let nobody touch it. Looking at it gets me buzzing. And reminiscing on that summertime feeling.
Alright, yeah, that is gas because I can smell it and it stings in all the cuts on my hands now. So I'll clean this up before I put it back together. So that'll be a tomorrow night problem. But I'll post that video as well. So that's what it looks like with a crap load of rust. Alright, so just to be clear before we move on from the exhaust, 12 millimeter, okay? Now the fun part. Now, I'm trying to see, I feel like this foot peg's gonna get in the way. So it is removable. I'm not sure if I want to go ahead and remove it though. Unless I have to. Now, can I get my impact driver in there? Of course I can't. Why would I be able to get the impact driver in there? And now, is this all one piece? Looks to be this way. Alright, so take a big note that when you do this, you're essentially taking half of the bike apart. Big pain in the butt, but I know it needs to be done. God, I don't want to take apart all this stuff. And I still gotta figure this out.
Spends all his time playing your heart like it's just a game. He should have never let you go.